here, market. This is the way to the buffet area.
Anong kinain nyo kagabi?
Breakfast. Good. A heavy breakfast here.
Sarap naman. Gusto ko yung kay Kali, yung duman.
Hello, mga ka-Glen Ab. So, eto nga. So far right now, for this buffet here at Swiss Hotel, maraming choices of food. Okay, sarap naman yung food. But, you know, sulit. Yeah. Pwede. You know, pwede. Kasi, ang buffet nila, it's like, you know, breakfast na pwede na pang lunch. So, may Filipino food, you know, may Japanese food, may Mexican food, a lot of choices. And then a lot of desserts also. Alright, so right now I'm taking my milk and breads dessert. I'm done with the ice cream. So yun. Start with the fruits. So every time I go to the buffet, I start with the fruits. Alright? And then after that, siyempre, here's the dip there for the fruits. And then the cereals. You see? Ayan. For the cereals. Yan talagang mga fresh milk yan. There we go. And then, siyempre, you see? The pancake, the waffles, and the other bread. And the breads, the croissant, different kinds, just up to your taste. Just get it from there, and then merong heater doon sa banda ron. Oh. And here at Swiss Hotel, Clark. Yummy ang mga croissant nila. See that, oh? Then, just put your bread here para mainit pag kinain mo. Yan ang heater. This side here, ayan, the same. Nabens pa rin. So, ayan, mga palaman nyo. Here, yung vanilla muffins, classic pandesal, Reno pandesal. Ano? Muffins. Yung straight lang to, ayun kasi yung oven, no? Doon manggagaling yan, no? Diba? Talagang ano siya, straight from oven yan ginagawa. Here, blueberry, yan, Berliner, yan, strawberry donut, banana bread, of course, the broad coffee. Syempre, pag may cakes or breads, broad coffee. There's the, ayan si kuya, yung barista. Makisi drip coffee. Diba? So this one, if you want to order, sabihin mo lang dyan. Let's start from, ito naman. Let's go to the juices here. Kuya, sige. Kuha na lang ako. Thank you. This one, yes. Okay. Okay. Konti lang. Yeah, please. Yeah. I like this one. Okay na yan. Sige. Opo. Ayan. Ayan si Sir. Hope, okay na ako dyan. Thank you. Thank you so much. You see? Fresh. Mga juices nila here. Sa mango, guava, apple, kalusugan water. Of course, see? My fresh cucumber. No sugar. Ito talaga. Sariwang apple, oranges, pineapple. Cucumber na sariwa. Of course, salad. See that? Kimchi. Kompleto siya. Yan, no? Bahala ka na ng choice mo or mix mo. There, of course, here, cold cuts. See? Mga cooked, ano to, ham. Yan. So, ano yung mga cheese, di ba? Ayun, yung kind of cheese nila. Smoke, mental, mas dami yun yan. So, okay. Of course, the gelato here. The kiddos' favorite, you know? All kinds. Ayun, no? Yan yung mga flavor. That's the flavor. And then your choice. Kung anong gusto mo. Diba? Just ask the ate there. Bibigyan ka. All kinds. Pwede mix, pwedeng scoop lang. Of course, ang hinahanap ko every time. The Japanese, but the Japanese is very minimal lang. Yung mga maki-maki lang nila. Yan na. So, since breakfast. It's only breakfast. Walang, I'm looking for the sashimi and the salmon. So, later pa daw yung sa lunch. Alright, so let's go around here. The people are busy. Of course. You see, this is, anyway, this is for the siomai. Ano lang, nag-refill lang si kuya. Right? And then this is the masala. Masala, inshallah. And then, oh, you know, seafoods, spicy crab. Diba? And then the pancit bihon. And then the sausages here. So, I'll come back later for this one. Kailangan magkamay. Diba, sir? Para mas ma-enjoy mo. Oo. And then, here's the soup. The mami. So, open ko lang siya. Ayan. Ayan, mga noodles naman di section. Here, scrambled egg, boiled egg, and plain rice. And of course, ayun, hash brown, potato, yeah, potato, fries, or yeah, potato, whatever is that. That's why proudly Pinoy breakfast. And then, may mga bangus, daing, fried dilis, fried danggit, chicken halang-halang, pinataan. And then there's some pork longganisa, pork adobo, plain rice. Here, ayan, saladang labanos. Yan yung mga ensalada nila. Ayan. Meron pang pita bread, diba? Ayan. Okoy. And this one, curry. Let's open for this, the curry. Ah, yeah. This one, yeah. Champurrado. Still have here. And then oatmeal. Congee. This is the congee is what's this? Lugaw. Yeah. And then, syempre, all-time favorite for the breakfast. You see that? It's all available. Salted mushroom beans, French fries, Hungarian sausages, diba? Bacon. Pag may breakfast, you need bacon. And then may baked beans. Alright, so yan. And then tingnan natin. See, this is the whole area buffet, and then the entrance there and the exit. And here at this Swiss Hotel Clark. Alright, so yan. Thank you. Happy tummy, happy busog na kami. So, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share, like. Thank you.